Welcome back friends. Today's video topic is how to create barcode in Microsoft Excel. In this Excel sheet I have some products name and their code number. The requirement is to create the barcode images here in this column. For that I can simply use this button. When I click on this button, the barcodes will be generated. For example, let me click on this code number and click on create barcode. Here you see the barcode is created. To create multiple barcodes, you can select the range of code numbers, then click on create barcode. This takes some time to create the barcodes because it uses internet connection. And here you see the barcodes are created. Let's learn how to create barcodes with one button click. First of all, create a button to execute barcode creation. For that, click on the Insert tab, Illustration, Shapes. Then take this rectangle rounded corner shape. Draw the shape by click, hold and drag. Double click on the shape to add the text. Then put here create barcode. Next you need to write the VBA code for generating the barcode. The required VBA code I have written already in this notepad document. I will provide this code in the video description below, from where you can just copy this. Select this entire code. Then copy. Go to Microsoft Excel, click on the Developer tab, then Visual Basic. Click on Insert tab, then Module. In this module page, just paste the copied code. Close this VBA editor window. Right click on this button, then click on Assign Macro. Here you see Generate Barcode macro is given. Click on this, then click on OK. Now to generate the barcode, you can simply click on the code number, then click on the button. That will generate the barcode image here. Select the range of codes, then click on Generate Barcode. And here you see the barcodes are created. So that was about creating barcode in Microsoft Excel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up by hitting on that like button. And also subscribe to the channel to get similar video updates in future. Thank you very much for watching.